GPT-3 is OpenAI's new language generator. Can GPT-3 really do a good job in generating text? This video shows an experiment I ran with GPT-3 Playground on generating Christmas wishes for colleagues. The input or prompt is some Christmas wishes I found online. For example, "It has always been a pleasure working with you. I wish you a Merry Christmas." There are two details worth noting. First, use separators to define your examples. I use triple hash as a separator between these Christmas wishes. It tells the API where an example starts and stops. You can use other characters or line breaks, but triple hash was officially recommended by OpenAI, and it works well in my experiments. Second, explain the intent of the task at the very beginning. For example, I told the API upfront what the examples are about. They are Christmas wishes for colleagues. This helps the model focus on completing the task rather than try to guess what the pattern is behind those examples. You can tune hyperparameters with the right sidebar. The engine I used is the default one, the Vinci, which is the most capable model but relatively slower compared to other models. I set the temperature equals to 0.9. Typically, the range of temperature is between 0.7 and 0.9, depending on how randomly you want the model to perform. For example, if you ask, "What's my pet?" If the temperature is equal to 0.7, it might say your pet is a dog. If the temperature is equal to 1, it could reply, "Your pet is an unicorn," so it can go wild. Here is the completion or output that GPT-3 generated. My favorite one goes to, "May the coming year bring you love and happiness. Have a fantastic Christmas." It's simple and, simple is good. What's your favorite one? Feel free to use any wishes created by GPT-3 here to greet your colleagues. You can copy these wishes from the link I pasted below. Okay, let's decrease the temperature and see what it's gonna generate. They look normal, no surprise here. Let's increase the temperature to 1. Well, these wishes seem to me more appropriate to send to your close friends rather than your coworkers. In this video, we show an experiment using GPT-3 to create Christmas wishes for colleagues. We can see GPT-3 can do a good job, a decent job, if we set the hyperparameters to the right values. You can copy these wishes from the link I pasted below. Subscribe to the channel for future updates on GPT-3. See you in next video.
Victory!